Geopolitics through the lens of nature, energy and human evolution. The evolution of human society now depends on our ability to recognise how information itself has become a strategic resource. Just as energy was distributed through empires, pipelines and industrial systems, information today is redistributed through digital networks that operate far faster than traditional political structures can comprehend. This has created a new layer of geopolitics, one that is shaped not only by land and resources, but also by algorithms and communication pathways that influence human perception. Understanding these forces requires a scientific approach, free from distortions of propaganda and ideological manipulation. As technology accelerates, the gap widens between natural human behaviour and the artificial narratives imposed on populations. Electrochemical organisms such as humans evolved to respond to direct sensory input. Yet modern societies subject people to abstract rules, digital illusions and engineered emotional triggers. This misalignment produces social stress and divisions that can be exploited by those who benefit from confusion. By studying the human organism through biology, chemistry and physics, we can identify the natural limits and requirements of healthy communities and compare them with the demands imposed by technological and political systems. Energy remains the foundation of civilization, and whoever controls energy infrastructures influences the behaviour of entire populations. Whether through fossil fuels, electricity grids or emerging renewable networks, energy distribution shapes labour, migration, industry and global alliances. When these systems are disrupted through conflict, economic pressure or environmental degradation, the effects ripple through food production, transport, communication and even psychological stability. A scientific understanding of energy flow reveals that many geopolitical tensions are, at their core, struggles over access to power in its most literal sense. Nature does not recognise national borders or political ideologies. Ecosystems, climate patterns and geological forces continue their process regardless of human disagreements. When societies ignore these natural laws, they destabilise themselves. When they align with them, they thrive. The future of global civilization depends on our willingness to move beyond inherited doctrines, myths, and manufactured divisions. Instead, we must observe the physical world, measure its patterns, and adapt our structures accordingly. Ultimately, sustainability in geopolitics requires a shift from domination to cooperation. The universal laws of energy, matter, and life are not optional. They govern every organism and every civilization. By studying these laws scientifically and applying them to our social and technological systems, we create a foundation for a world that is intelligent, stable, and capable of long-term survival. Only through understanding, not manipulation, can humanity evolve into a truly connected global community.